Like I was saying, these things are awesome because they're completely waterproof. So basically it fits the whole length of your truck or bed of your truck. And then it has these two storage containers right here. And you can actually lock them as well. So it has a lock and you pull them out and it's super smooth. It's super smooth, and it basically locks it like this. Here's both of them open right here. So you can just pull it open. And essentially you can store all of your stuff in there and keep it dry. And you still have room on top to put more stuff on your bed. So it's just a really nice way to organize your truck. And then you just slide it back in when you're done, and then you can lock it into place so that way it doesn't move. And then also right here, what's cool about it is on each corner there's actually these other containers that you can actually put. There's actually you can pull a plug on the bottom, and so you can actually use this as like a cooler. If you wanted to put drinks in here and you wanted to put ice in there and then empty it out after, you can actually do that as well, which is nice. And then you just close it back up and it closes like this and it just snaps right back in. So, you know, like I said, you can put drinks in there or you can just put other storage and other things there. But overall, really solid product. They have different sizes for different trucks or different size beds that you have. But these things are gonna last you a long time, and they just look really nice, and it's a really good way to store your stuff in your truck. So definitely if you're looking for truck storage, this is a great option right here. Thanks for watching.